Good morning, my dear children. Today I have brought 2 baskets of colorful solids for the lesson. I am going to start the lesson with these solids. But before that, shall we look at this design? Can you look at this design or pattern? It is made with various colors and different shapes. It's a beautiful pattern. Now children, you too can make beautiful patterns like this if you learn them correctly. Shall we make patterns today with these solids now? Although you are small, you too can make beautiful patterns like this, Pute. Now look at this one, a cylinder, a colorful cylinder, beautiful. What is this one? A cone. Next one, a cylinder. I am making a pattern with 2 solids. A cone, a cylinder, a cone, a cylinder, a cone, a cylinder. You can go on like that. Now shall we read the pattern again? We can read it from left to right again. Cylinder, cone, cylinder, cone, cylinder, cone, cylinder, cone, cylinder. So now I am going to make I am going to use 3 different solids to make the pattern. Can you see a cube? A cylinder and a cone. I am going to use all these 3 solids to make the pattern. Cone, cube, cylinder. Next one, what should be? Again, a cone, cube, cylinder. Now, if I keep the cylinder, is it correct? No, it's not correct. Can you see now? Say cone, cube, cylinder. Cone, cube, cylinder. There should be a pattern, children. You must read the pattern very carefully. Then only you will get the correct pattern. Next one is again a cone, cube, cylinder. If you have more shapes, you can go on like that. Next pattern, I am going to make a pattern upright. Now we can make patterns across and upright also, like this. Can you see? A cuboid, 2 cylinders. A cuboid, 2 cylinders. Again, a cuboid. It's also a nice pattern, isn't it? Therefore, my dear children, remember we can make patterns across and upright also, like this. Across, upright. It's a pattern, but you can make patterns like this, across and upright like this. It is also a pattern made with cubes and balls. Now here you have a yellow cube, pink circle, pink ball, blue ball. Yellow cube, pink ball, blue ball. Now look at this one. This is also an activity. If you are in school, you should have done this as a group activity. But now that you are not going to school, children, we can do it in this manner. Shall we read the heading now? Make 3 patterns using these fruits. Make 3 patterns using these fruits. Here you have 2 different kinds of fruits in a big box. You have to take fruit by fruit and make patterns. I have made 3 patterns across. Can you see across? So now, shall we read the pattern? Here you have a pineapple, mangosteen, a pineapple, mangosteen, a pineapple, mangosteen, a pineapple, mangosteen, a pineapple. Next one, second pattern is different to this one. Here you have mangosteen, 2 pineapples, mangosteen, 2 pineapples, mangosteen. Now the third pattern, it's different to all these 2. Here you have 2 pineapples, 2 mangosteen, 2 pineapples, 2 mangosteens. These patterns are made across or sideways. Now these 2 are different to the other 3. This one is made upright or upwards. Can you see now here? This is little different, no? Fruits are turned. Now here you have a mangosteen, again pineapple, mangosteen, pineapple, mangosteen, pineapple, but they are arranged in a different way. This one is different to all the others. It is made only with 1 fruit, but the order of arranging is different. Here you have pineapple turned sideways, pineapple turn upwards, pineapple turn sideways, pineapple turn upwards, pineapple turn sideways, pineapple turn upwards. Look at the third one now. It is not completed. We have to complete today. This activity is done with colors, figures, shapes, and these flags also. They also go under figures. Now here you have 2 different colors of flowers. This is a pink flower and this one a yellow flower. A pink flower, a yellow flower, pink flower. Now can you say which flower should come next? Yes, which color? Yes, shall we see? Yes, it's a yellow flower. Next one, it's a pink flower. Shall we read again? Pink flower, yellow flower, pink, yellow, pink, yellow, pink. Next one. Now can you see the second pattern? Here you have an apple, 2 mangoes, an apple, 2 mangoes here. But 1 mango is given. Can you see now? Next one, apple, red apple. Yes. Shall we read it again? Apple, 2 mangoes. Apple, 2 mangoes, apple. Next one is done with shapes. Here you have a triangle and a circle here, then square. It is done with 3 shapes. Then you have again a triangle, a circle. Next one then, yes, it's a square. Then square. Again you have, can you see? Before square you have a circle. Then after the square you have a triangle. Can you see? Square, then you have a triangle, right? Next one is done with 2 different shape flags. Here you have rectangular shape flags and triangular shape flags. This is a rectangular shape flag. This is a triangular shape flag. Rectangular shape flag, triangular shape flag. rectangular shaped flag. Here then next one should be a triangular shaped flag. Then next one a rectangular shaped flag. Can you see now? When you do a pattern like this, you must read it from the beginning, then only you will get the correct pattern. Now can you read the heading? Select and color the next shape. Select and color the next shape. Yes, this one is done with same colors but shapes are different. Here you have a rectangle, a triangle, rectangle, a triangle, rectangle. Then next one is already colored. It should be a triangle. It is already done. It is correct. Here you have again shapes with same color. Here the first one is a yellow circle, then square, circle, square, circle. Look at this one now. Again the child has colored in yellow, a circle, but it is wrong. You have to color the square according to the pattern. Here you have the circle, square, circle, square, circle. It should be square. So this one is wrong. Now here you have two types of rectangles. Here first one is a horizontal rectangle like this. Then you have vertical rectangle like this. Shall we see the pattern now? Yes. A horizontal rectangle, vertical rectangle, horizontal rectangle, vertical rectangle, horizontal rectangle. Then next one should be a vertical rectangle. That is also correct. Out of these three, this is wrong and the other two are correct. Now the fifth exercise. Can you see? Here you are given different colors of different shapes. Shall we read the heading? Recognize the pattern and color. Right. Red square, yellow circle, green triangle, red square. Here then next pattern you have to color this one. The shape is given but the color is not given. Which color should you color? Now here when you observe this activity, you can see all the circles are colored in yellow. All the triangles are colored in green. All the squares are colored in red. Now shall we read it? Red square, yellow circle, green triangle, red square, yellow circle, green triangle. Next one, here you have a green triangle, red square, yellow circle, a green triangle, red square, yellow circle. Then next one, yellow circle, green triangle, red square, yellow circle. What should you color? This one. With what? Yes, this triangle should be colored with green. Then the next one, the square, should be colored with red. Can you see? Now children, you have to do this exercise in your maths book, right? Now look at the next one. This is a different pattern, but it is not that easy to do it. Here you are given a table. In this table, Pute, at the bottom, for the first part of the pattern, you are asked to color 3 boxes in yellow. Then on the second line, 2 boxes in pink. On the third line, you are asked to color 1 box in brown. Now the second part of that is also the same way. Now can you see? It is repeated now here. Again, 3 are colored in yellow, 2 are colored in pink, 1 is colored in brown. Same thing is repeated again. 3 in yellow, 2 in pink, 1 in brown. I think you have noticed this activity. This is an exercise that is there in your workbook. Can you see now here? If you open your workbook, you will see this activity. So, normally children make mistakes when they do this exercise. So, you have to carefully attentively do this exercise, Puti. Here you have in this first table, you have a red box. First box is colored in red. In the second line, 2 boxes are colored in blue. In the third line, 3 boxes are colored in pink. Again the same pattern is repeated for the second part. Again 1 box in red, 2 boxes in blue, 3 boxes in pink. Now this part you have to complete. I will explain how to do it again, otherwise you will make a mistake. Now here like this again, first one is this box in red, these 2 again in blue, 2 boxes in blue, these 3 can you see here, these 3 in pink, all these 3 boxes should be colored in pink. Then again we are starting the pattern, next part of that pattern is again red. This box in this line you have to color only 1 box with red. This is another exercise just like this. In the first out of this table, in the first line, all the boxes are colored in yellow. Can you see? In the second line, only 2 boxes are colored with red. Then the next one, on the third line, only 1 box is colored in blue. Here again repeated, 3 boxes in blue, 2 boxes in red, 1 box in blue. Now, how do you color these 3 now? Can you see here? After the blue one, you have to color the 3 boxes in yellow. Then next one again red, 2 red boxes, 1 blue box here, and then finally again you have to color these 3 boxes with yellow, right? Did you understand, children, now? Now remember, children, you have to do this exercise very carefully. Therefore, my dear children, when you complete these patterns, you have to do it very neatly and attentively, and complete it neatly, attentively and correctly. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day.